Hello everyone. CONSTEKNOSforum welcomes all you construction technocrats. Today we will discuss about a software developed on Excel with Visual Basic. It is developed for the design of horizontal curves for railway alignment. Curves form a indispensable component of railway alignment. It is desirable but not always possible to follow the straight alignment. The alignment has to be changed by introduction of curves due to various techno-economic reasons. This software has been developed for the field engineers, whether in construction or maintenance of railway curves. The main features of this software are design of simple circular curve, design of compound curve, design of transition curve, design of S curve, speed potential of track, equilibrium speed of track, calculation of cant, graphic representation of curve fittings, and transferring graphical presentation to AutoCAD. And most importantly, it is very easy to operate. Even a beginner level of Excel user can operate it. And of course, it is almost free. So let us see how this software works and how to operate it.